Hello, my name is Bogdan. I am a DevOps Artisan trainer and a tech enthusiast. My background is computer networking. I've started teaching courses in the Cisco Networking Academy a little bit over 17 years ago. I have gone through CCNA, CCNP, CCIE in routing and switching in data center. My focus has shifted towards data center technologies. So for several years, I have worked with data center compute, data center networking, storage, and virtualization. Also, I have been working with Linux administration. From virtualization and Linux, it was only a small step to take to move towards container technologies. So even more recently, I've been working with Docker, Kubernetes for container orchestration, and also with Ansible for automating configuration management. Apart from the networking certifications, I'm also certified in virtualization, VMware, VCP, and VCAP, cloud technologies, Google Cloud, professional architect and professional data engineer, and also security, CISSP, Elasticsearch certified engineer, and certified Kubernetes administrator. But most importantly, I am a tech enthusiast. I have started working with DevOps technologies mainly because I find them interesting, and I honestly believe that they will change the world of IT as we know it. And I hope that I have been able to transmit some of this enthusiasm to the more than 5,000 students worldwide that have joined my trainings. So join us on our DevOps journey. Let's meet in one of our trainings to get to know a little bit more about these new and exciting DevOps technologies. Thank you.